Well, the kayak's out. It had to be. And look, talking of those things that you can grab on the hoof, because we're about 800 metres from the beach. I had seen these on a couple of places, as I'm sure you have, so we thought we'd invest in a couple of wheels to make carrying the kayak a bit easier. And it's absolutely brilliant, love it. Symbol, because it's so light, it's obviously designed for much bigger craft or tenders, but because the inflatable's so light, it only needs a single strap. They supply you with 2 straps. So we bought it here in Decathlon, so off out. Looking forward to it, Rizzy? Oh yes, a bit of a paddle round the canals. Yeah, we'll take the camera with us, guys, so we'll show you a bit of the canal system in an Empuriabrava.
Definitely.
Looks lush. Nikki's doing some final maintenance on the tools. Right, better get the beach shoes, phone holder, all the essentials in life ready to go. Drying out steadily. Last of last night's thunder shower still to evaporate, but by the time we get back in a couple of hours that should all be gone. Look at that, cloudless sky, beautiful. Well, here we are out in the canals of Empuriabrava. There's some very nice pads around here, that's for sure. I'm of course paddling away really furiously, doing all the work, and Nick, oh no, I don't know whether Nikki believes me actually. But we've had, with that windy day yesterday, obviously everybody is deciding to get out and about. So it is amazing, this complex though. Literally every house or apartment has some sort of water frontage, and if you were to look at this on Google Earth, you'd see satellite, you'd see how big the area is. So for every house literally to have some sort of frontage is actually quite something. An amazing spot. It's a bit like being able to get into a kayak in Venice, which of course I don't think you can, but well, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong.
We're in the cheap seats obviously, Rod.
Cheap seats, yeah, with all these fantastic, I bet they can't pop their boat on a set of 2 wheels though and drag it around the shore, can they? No. Be a bit of a job with those. Right, let's go for a bit more of a punt. I guess these are the sort of posh moorings, judging by the size of them here. Wow. Some nice boats, and there is an absolutely continuous procession of boats coming past us heading out for the waves. They obviously were completely frustrated by the wind yesterday, and they've got to get it out their system because it's only about 10:45. You name it, every shape and size of craft is coming out today to enjoy this. Nikki wants that one.
Yeah, I love that one. I like
Rather
the
nice.
stairs.
Yeah, up to your castellations, eh? Very nice too.
Yeah.
Bit of mooring on 2 sides of it. Lovely. Look at this, it's like a little square. Isn't it lovely? A lovely little square of houses. And even though we're 11 in the morning, it's just really bird sounds. That's it. Incredible little place. I really do like this. Well, Nikki has found her little weekend apartment. Do you fancy that one, huh?
Yeah, want that one.
Want that one? Yeah, that is rather nice, that one.
Yeah, nice boat they've got.
Yeah, nice boat as well. God, look at that! Wow. Anyway, it's time we do some work. I'm always paddling furiously back here. Furiously, I'm paddling.
I am tempted to go whoosh. I'll restrain myself. this looks a bit like a castle.
Yeah. Can hire boats around here as well, so I think that one up ahead, the little red one's a hire. So you can either take it out to sea or have a good old potter around the canals here. It's our challenge today, see if we can find a canal side cafe to find a cup of coffee. You never know, eh? And isn't it typical Nikki may have changed her mind now? She's found this one, look at that, the old infinity pool cascading over the side there.
I have to paint it a different colour though.
Yeah, a lot of posh artificial grass. Oh, that's lovely.
It's got our
Very
stone
nice
up
too.
as well.
Yeah. Oh, and look what we spotted ahead.
We found a cafe.
It looks like it, yeah.
We can do what?
Oh, tja, the decisions you have to make, which cafe to stop at.
I know.
Yeah. Let's head for some coffee.
Note, I'm paddling again.
Oh, well, no, I am very busy back here. You just can't hear the slooshing of my paddles.
No.
So, it's not quite the same size as some of these, is it? But it fits there perfectly. So, I bet we don't use quite as much diesel or petrol in that. Time for a coffee. Well, couldn't get much better, could it, eh? Road. In fact, we Peggy the scooted along there the other day. What a very neat tree he's got there, isn't it?
Well, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Manicured. I bet he's out there with a pair of scissors.
It's very modern, that.
Or his gardener is.
Very contemporary, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah. There's not many grey ones in the village. Now you can just see up in the sky there all the parachutes coming down as well. Well, Nikki's forever changing her mind. I think she might have another new favourite.
I don't know.
Do you think so?
I'm not sure about that one.
No?
No.
No, it's sort of Art Deco-y style, isn't it?
Yeah, there's odd turrets and things when you come closer.
Yeah, it's quite interesting. Yeah, very Art Deco-y, isn't it?
Look, weird sort of twirly.
New favourite, I think. Two little white chairs, look at that, out on the front there. Watch the world go by.
Infinity swimming pool.
Yeah, infinity edge swimming pool. Yeah, that's very nice. We'll struggle by with that one, shall we?
You struggle by with that one. Yeah.
What a struggle it would be. And Nikki wants that one to go with her little villa that we just showed you. Although probably by the time he's got out of the port here to the ocean, he's probably used about 100 gallons of diesel. Listen to that old thumping diesel. Well, that was very pleasant. Did you enjoy that, Linda, as you were?
I did.
Wasn't that lovely, eh? Very nice too. The water is like bath water, and that is definitely like the M25 in the rush hour, with everybody going out. Every shape, type, size of craft, all on the move. Fancy a jet ski? Hire a jet ski over there. Very tempting. And we've ventured out into the sea, because as you can see, The waves are not very big today.
Flat as a pancake.
It is flat as a pancake. There's the beach, and then just through the gap there, that's straight to the Rubina Resort, where Resi the Moho is sweating in the heat probably.
But we're not.
No, it's absolutely lush, and of course, as you'd expect in the Med, clear as a bell. Absolutely lovely. There's an intrepid swimmer, looks like he's or she is off for the long haul.
Oh yeah.
Parallel to the beach, and boy, they've got a long way to go on this little inlet. And then right over there, that was where we went around the corner there. That was that's Kayak, which is also absolutely lovely. We'll try and get you some footage of that. So yeah, some lovely little bays and inlets all around these rockier bits as well. Hidden away beaches, probably only accessible, some of them, from the water. But a pretty lush spot. Did you enjoy that?
I did. We were out for quite a few hours.
We were 3.5 odd hours out there paddling away. Look, there's the kayak.
And look at the
sat on the
bowl.
side, and of course we had to pop in and get a bit of a refill. Look at the view, eh?
Not bad.
Might even go for a little dip after lunch. Ah,
Oh, this motorhome is terrible.
motorhoming is such a difficult
Such hard
pastime. It is awful. Don't recommend it at all. A bit of a refill as well. That looks yummy. Bit of a tuna salad.